Alright y'all, welcome back to Redline Outdoors. Thank y'all for tuning in to this week's video. This one's going to be a little bit different for you. We're going to start out this video. We're going to go to the monster trucks first. And then I'm going to take y'all to another hunting location that I have here in Louisiana. And then I'm going to take you on my most two favorite hunts that I've ever done for Redline Outdoors. My most memorable hunts, and they were here in Louisiana. Real quick, we've got a new sponsor for Redline Outdoors, and I'm super excited about that. It is Mountain Ops, and I'm proud to say that Redline Outdoors is partnering with Mountain Ops. They're a Christian company, and they have some really good stuff. All their flavors are good. All the supplements, all the proteins, everything mixes up well. They don't settle at the bottom of your cup. Everything tastes great. And here's a few of their products right here. This is a kind of a new flavor right here. This is called Gnome's Nectar. This is some good stuff.
I tried it.
You tried it? Mm-hmm. This is Hydrate. Keep you hydrated. This is a pre-workout right here. This is Enduro. I like this one for a pre-workout because it's caffeine free, it's stimulus free. It doesn't make you feel all jittery and weird inside. If you like that, they also have another one called Ignite. It's a little bit more hardcore, but I like this one, and I will use Ignite from time to time. Here's some of their protein. I really like this one. This is strawberries and cream. Mixes well in water, tastes good in water, tastes great in water. It tastes even better in milk. But shake this up, it's ready to go. Mixes well. And I don't say that lightly, because I use lots of different brands of protein, and most of them do not mix well, and mix well, period. But this one is peanut butter chocolate. They've got a ton of different flavors and proteins, a ton of different flavors and Hydrate, as well as Enduro and Ignite. I'll leave a link in the description box below for my affiliate link. That link will get you 20% off. If you don't want to do that, just go straight to the website, mountainops.com, and use promo code RO20, and that'll get you 20% off. That's pretty legit. And also, every product they sell, they feed a hungry kid. It says it right here on the back. Millions of meals donated, right there. And like I say, hey, y'all please support the people that support me. Mountain Ops is one of those, and I'm really excited to be on board with these guys. Please go over to Mountain Ops. They got all kinds of stuff. They have merch and a ton of different things. I just can't I don't have time to talk about all of it right here, but y'all go over there and get you something. I promise you, you'll find something on their website that you want. Merch store will be in the description box below. It's starting to get towards the expensive time for Redline Outdoors, because y'all know I love the deer hunting. And if y'all want to see some deer hunting content or more deer hunting content from me, that takes money. And if you support the people that support me, buy merch. And you know, if you can't afford to buy anything, that's fine. Just keep watching my content. And share it with your buddies, and like it and comment and all that good stuff. But anyway, that's enough gibberish. Get you some Mountain Ops, get you some merch, and let's get right into the video. You ready for your first monster truck?
Yeah. First time we took Barrett to the monster trucks, he was sick.
First time we ever took Barrett to the monster trucks, he had the flu, and we didn't know it. Here we go.
Welcome again to Monster Truck Mania Tour. We appreciate you guys being along with us.
This year, coming all the way from New Zealand. First time here in Monroe, Louisiana.
What's so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
it up at the booth. He has an RII device. That is a remote. Next up for wheelie competition, it's going to be Chris Davis and Fire Hazard. Second pass was a little bit better. Next up, it's Johnny Davenport and go.
A good show for you guys, but let me explain you how this works. The lower you guys get, the bigger he's gonna go. So let's go right there. Here we go, doing a nice switch play. Here we go, Caleb Galacy, now YC 450 with a motor whip. Superman! Look at you, As you coming all in there. When I say monster truck, you say maniac.
We shall find out. Monroe.
Way to the top. Look and look. What? All the way to the top. Dead crossing. What a perfect timing. What a single band. The other going all the way up.
He was your winner of wheelies. He's your winner of racing. From Conroe, Texas, Dylan Finley and Crazy Hefner. Yay!
What's he doing? What you got, boy? You got some cotton candy?
He needs a lot.
Here we go, Caleb Galacy going for a holy crap! Looks like here we go, Caleb Galacy. Nice! Wow! That's not quite.
how it's gonna do, but that's a homemade compressed block. It might do all right. That's roughly a little over 100 pounds of feed right there. It's a pretty good sized block. It's somewhat compressed, but not near as compressed as I wanted it to be. I may have to change up the recipe a little bit. Matter of fact, it's starting to split down the middle right now. The whole reason behind a compressed block is so they don't sit there and eat it so quick. But I got my son with me. We're about to do a couple things back here. We're 10 days out from deer season. Yeah, putting out this compressed block that I made. I'm gonna put out some more corn. Yep, that's what we're doing here today. 10 days out here in Louisiana for the opening of bow season.
What flavor and color is this? Leave it in the comments below.
Here we are set up again in Washita Parish, Louisiana. It's October the 27th. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. Old Barrett, he's not giving up.
Never give up.
We've been after him.
Never give up.
Oh, this is probably the last time I can take him for a while. For about 10 days or so. Maybe longer than that. Because we're busy all this week, and then I'm going to Missouri.
I have Boy Scouts on Monday, and that's at work on Tuesday. You have to go see Bob Road Live on Wednesday, and trick-or-treating on Thursday.
And then Friday,
Dad's gone.
Dad's going to Missouri.
And our field trip.
So,
That's one busy week.
I hope we get on a deer today. Let me have that game. Help me put it on his shoulder. Alright, shoot him. Alright, so here's the deal. It's October the 28th, 2019. I'm about to pick my son up from school. We missed a deer yesterday. It was a spike. That'd have been his first buck. But I ain't making any excuses, but we missed it, and I shot the gun today. It was shooting about 4 inches high and probably 2 or 3 inches to the left. I looked and looked. I even brought the dog back there. It was a clean miss. No blood, no hair, no nothing.
Alright, here we go. It's November the 17th. We're fishing to go try to get buried on a deer. It's about 3:30, so we're going on a piece of property that I own, and we're gonna try to get him first deer besides a buttonhead that walks out. We're gonna smoke him, buddy. Alright, here we go. Let's go.
What kind of drink pop is this? Leave it in the comments below, and which flavor is it?
Here we are set up, November 17th. It's 3:45 in the afternoon. We're set up just in time for some little evening action. We've had a hard time getting buried on a deer this year. So hopefully it'll go down this afternoon. So we're gonna sit back and see what happens to this evening. Hopefully we'll get something.
What just happened? Holy smokes. Oh, man.
Case.
Hey, tell him what happened. So this dog brow times 6 boy, I've been having pictures of him since July. All summer long. We actually saw him opening day of youth season. Yeah, buddy. And he wasn't on my property, and also he never stopped. I'm fired up just a little bit. That's Barrett's first buck. Yeah! Smoke, boy! Smoke! So he's hurt. We're gonna go look at him here in a minute and go see what we got. I saw him run this way. I'm so proud of you, buddy.
Thanks, Daddy.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
We worked hard at getting that deer.
Yeah.
We put in our work. And you didn't give up.
I never give up.
Never give up, buddy.
I didn't even
Shot that deer right there. He ran, went in right here. That's the last I saw him. And died. There's his white belly. You did it. I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing because I'm happy. Come on, let's go get this deer.
I see it.
That is awesome, bro. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we are. It's November 17th. Barrett got him a BBD, big buck down. He's a giant 5-point. That's what he is. Nice deer, Barrett. Made a perfect shot on him. He probably went about 80 yards.
I shot it in the lungs.
Yep. I guess it's a pretty good blood trail. I see it from here.
I can tell.
We've actually been after this deer, and I actually went after him for bow season. He came through today, gave us a shot, and I'll tell you what, it took him forever to give us a broadside shot. I'm proud of you, buddy. These are moments you'll never forget. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
I love you very much.
Love you, Daddy.
Barrett never gave up, and every time I'd ask him if he wanted to go hunting, he went. We finally did it. It was worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You got you a buck. Now we can put you a skull mount on your wall. Huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome, ain't it, buddy?
Yeah.
I'm super proud of you.
Thanks, Daddy.
You hear me?
You okay?
Awesome.
Thanks, Dad. The knee's getting tight. Tell me when to stop pulling.
All the way tight. Look where he's been rubbing. All right.
All right. Bye.
Holla at you, boy.
Holla at your boy. Jin.
Who?
Jin stands for good night.
It's opening day in Louisiana. Okay, I need to be quiet. It's opening day in Louisiana, and we got Miss Tinley up to bat. She wants to wait on a buck, which is a daddy deer, right? Yeah, she wants to kill one with horns. I've got some pictures close to being legal shooting hours in the afternoons. It's about 4:45 right now. We're gonna sit and wait patiently, and hopefully things will go our way. It's about 85 degrees. It's not terrible, and yeah. Do you want to shoot a mama deer?
No, I don't.
Okay, I don't want you to get mad if we see a mama deer and we don't shoot it. Acorns are falling. So we're gonna get set up and get still. Stay tuned, y'all stick with us. Here we go. We got a little bit of a set, not too terrible. Let's go, see if we can get a deer.
quiet.
Be quiet. We gotta wait.
Is it right there? Not in the right spot.
Almost. Just wait.
Right here.
Are you ready?
Is this the right spot?
Shoot, wait. Shoot. Hold on.
We have to get this online.
Good job. You got it. Oh. Are you okay? You got him. You alright?
Gonna go take a picture of him. I knew I was gonna do it. Why are you hitting so hard? Can I go down now? Can you bring the camera?
Sit in the chair. Let me get all this stuff together.
Okay. I'm just so proud.
Good job.
We have to tell Mama.
Oh, didn't we? We need to tell Jesus thank you. Okay. Are you alright? Alright. Let's call your mom.
I'm so excited.
Let's call your mom.
I got him!
What'd you do?
I killed a daddy deer.
Oh, you killed it?
Yeah.
I need to see.
Okay, but it's down there. Let me show you.
Okay, down
See?
there.
Yeah, he didn't want to. He said he didn't want to.
Not really.
Okay, let me show you when we get down there.
Okay,
I shoot him all by myself.
Yay, good job. Show me, call me back when y'all get down there, okay?
Got it, Mommy.
Good job.
I'm just so happy I did it.
Your shoe fall off? Put your shoe back on. No, just stop and put your shoe on. You too excited? Hang on before you go all the way to him. Hang on, let me go with you.
Mama said call her when we get down here, so we're down here. Take a picture.
Alright guys, I think I can see us in that camera up there. But it's getting dark quick. You got him, baby.
Yeah, look guys, I got him.
You got a daddy deer.
Yep.
So this is her first buck, guys, and I tell you what, I was shaking just as much as she was. So our plan came together this afternoon for us, and the good Lord blessed us. And I apologize if the footage is a little bit fuzzy right now. It's getting dark on us, and I didn't bring my light, and we really need to get him out of here pretty quick.
Why?
Because it's going to get hot. So,
Didn't come with ice.
no. Good job, Tinley. Give me a kiss. Hey, I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of myself.
I know you are.
Too.
You did awesome.
Thanks.
You were still. You weren't moving. You didn't complain. You did
Yeah.
everything you were supposed to.
Then we did this.
Yep.
Then we shoot him.
Shot him a little high, but
Still dead.
we got him. So, good times, baby. Good job. Your first bow buck. Your
My
first.
first
Hold on.
daddy.
Hold on. It's your first buck, and it's your first archery deer too. That. How old are you?
6.
6 years old.
66.
So, hopefully, the good Lord will bless us with many more. I love you. Good times. On opening day.
Ow.
The deer season just opened today, and you
Yeah.
got an 8 point.
80 point.
8 point.